How to transfer from Earn to Spot in Binance. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today I'll guide you through the steps on how you can transfer assets from your Earn to your Spot in Binance. Well, the process itself actually is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. Now, to transfer assets from Binance Earn to your Spot wallet, you want to first open up Binance. Once you have opened up Binance, you want to make sure that you're signed up or logged into your account, right? Then you want to go to your Spot wallet. Now, I don't have it here, but you want to go to your Spot wallet, and once under wallet, you want to tap on Earn option. Then choose the product that you would like to transfer from your Earn to Spot. Then you want to click Redeem option and enter the amount. Confirm the redemption, and your funds will be available in your Spot wallet shortly after it. So this is how easily you can transfer from Earn to Spot in Binance. Hope this video has helped you. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues as well.